This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Nicotex Mint Plus Flavour sugar-free gums 4 mg tablet is an effective tool to help individuals quit smoking. This product offers a refreshing mint flavor while delivering the necessary nicotine replacement. Indications and uses. This product is primarily used to aid individuals in quitting smoking by replacing the nicotine that their bodies crave. It helps alleviate withdrawal symptoms and reduces cravings, making the transition away from tobacco products much more manageable. It is particularly beneficial for those who are attempting to cut down on cigarettes or fully quit. How it works. The product works by supplying the body with nicotine, which helps satisfy cravings and withdrawal symptoms that occur when a person stops smoking. Directions for use. To use the product effectively, chew it slowly until the flavor strengthens, then place it between the gums and cheeks for a while. Repeat this process for at least 30 minutes or until the taste fades. Users should avoid continuous chewing to prevent rapid nicotine release, which may cause throat irritation or stomach upset. Possible side effects. Possible side effects include mouth irritation, increased salivation, nausea, stomach pain, and hiccups. Users should consult a healthcare professional if side effects persist or worsen. Precautions and warnings. Individuals should consult with their healthcare provider before using this product, especially if they have pre-existing conditions like heart or liver diseases. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should only use it under medical supervision. FAQs. 1. Is it safe to use? Yes, it is considered a safe alternative to smoking. 2. Can it cause cancer? No, there is no evidence linking it to cancer. 3. What are common side effects? Mouth irritation, nausea, and increased salivation. 4. Can pregnant women use it? Only under medical advice. 5. How should I take it? Chew slowly and do not swallow. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.